Track 15, Part 2.
OK, thanks. Did you join the gym?
Yes, I did. It's got really great equipment, all very modern and new. However, it is a little bit expensive, almost £40 a month, and that's with a student discount. But I've been every day since I joined.
£40 a month? That is expensive. However, if you think it's a good gym, maybe I'll try it.
Well, I think £40 a month is way too much. I don't know why people spend so much money on a gym membership when they can exercise in the park for free.
I've tried running in the park, but it was really boring. I prefer to exercise with friends because it encourages me to work harder.
I prefer to do exercise with friends as well. It's much more fun than exercising alone.
But it's not just running. They have group exercise classes there in the park in the morning. Exercising outside is better because you get lots of fresh air. And you can exercise with a personal trainer too.
That sounds good. I think I'd like to have a personal trainer. How much does one cost?
I pay £20 an hour.
£20 an hour? Doesn't that work out to be more expensive than joining the gym?
It is expensive, but I think it's worth the money. You can find out which type of exercise is best for you, and you can get some really useful advice on diet too.
That does sound useful. I need some advice on my diet. It's not great at the moment, and I know that a healthy diet helps you get fit.
I can give you the email address of my personal trainer if you want.
That's great. Thanks, Samantha.
What about the gym? Do you think you'll join it?
Yes, I think I'm going to try both.